So this is my 97 Eclipse. I just got finished putting a lot of it back together after I had some problems. It's got a 6-bolt swap in it, and right now the main problem that I'm having is it's got this nasty ticking noise. So I'm trying to mainly find out if you guys think it's lifter tick or if I've got bigger problems. But I just replaced it with 3G lifter, so I was hoping that would get rid of the lifter tick. So let me start it up so that you guys can hear it, and hopefully I can get some opinions from you. So I hope that's enough for you guys to hear. I know that somebody's probably going to catch a view of my oil pressure gauge. Told me that it's up near 80 psi. I haven't ported the oil filter housing yet. That's next on my list. So I already know I need to do that because I did the balance shaft eliminator. So any help you guys can give me would be totally awesome. Thanks.